One of the most frustrating issues that can occur on the Samsung Galaxy S23 is crackling or static noises from the microphone during phone calls. This microphone static makes it difficult for the other party to hear you clearly on calls. Thankfully, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to fix the Galaxy S23 microphone static and restore clear call audio. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Examine the microphone. Carefully inspect the microphone opening located on the bottom edge of your Galaxy S23 near the charging port. Look for any dust, debris, or lint that may be partially blocking the mic hole and causing audio static. Use a toothpick or compressed air to gently clean out the microphone port. Removing any particles or obstructions can help resolve any static issues during calls. Don't charge the phone while on call. Charging the phone while on call can create a ground loop, which is a condition that can cause static noise. In the case of charging a phone while on call, the current can flow through the phone's charger, the phone's circuitry, and the phone's microphone. It is best to avoid charging your phone while on call if you can. If you need to charge your phone while on call, try to use a high-quality charger that is designed to minimize ground loops. Close background apps before taking a call. Background apps can use up the phone's resources, such as CPU and memory. This can cause the phone to run slower and can also lead to static noise on calls. When you close background apps, you free up these resources so that the phone can focus on the call. So tap the recent key to view the apps that are left running in the background, then tap Close All. Reset network settings. Resetting the network settings on your Galaxy S23 will restore the phone's network settings to their default values. This can help to fix problems with the phone's network connection, such as static noise on calls. To do it, launch Settings and then select General Management. Scroll down and tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button and tap Reset. After that, the problem with your phone should already be fixed. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching.